Welcome to the cooler depot. I'm going to have to introduce our newest products, the sandwich prep tables on my right hand. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. Entirely the units, the length will be 48.5 inches wide. And the overall heights, they are about like 44 inches tall. And the overall depth, it's about like 33 inches. As you can see, we have a single lid on top. We opened it. You can see all the containers inside. This size is using the 1-in-6, the container size right here. They all have the NSF sanitation approval stickers right here. And they marked here have a 4 liters for all the containers. Totally, they have a 12 container inside of the machine. And the cutting boards, they are about like 14.5 inches wide and the 48.5 inches long. So when you're looking down the units, we're having the 2 open door swing doors. They are having the space at the bottom. We opened it. You can see we have 2 layers. And for this bottom sizes, they are about like 14 inches deep. And almost like 12 inches tall. And inner side, the length about like 44 inches. And for the top layers, they have 2 adjustable shelvings. The shelving sizes will be 16 inches deep. And the almost 21 inches length. From the manufacturers, they come in with 1 thermometers inside of the manual books, and they have a 1 release fan at the back. Okay, let's take a look at the backside of the units. As you can see, the backside of the units, we can see the stickers right here at the bottom, and you can see the ETL sanitation approvals right here, and the diagram. And also, if you're looking down, we have grills right here, the compressor at the bottoms, and the evaporator sinks right here. And they also have the Dexel controllers at the bottom. You can set in the temperature from here. And they come in with the US standard 110 plugs. That's all the information we're having about these units. So if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.